Okay, so I'm here at Burden and Sons in Plumboro, PA. I think I have an exhaust leak in one of my manifolds, and Herb here is going to take a look at it. Proprietor, and this is the shop here. But I wanted to show you some really cool cars back here. Okay, I can walk back here, Herb?
Yeah, yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, look at that. 1967. And that's a race car. Here's another front end. It's a flip front end he's going to put on it. And see, you got the racing seats. Racing dash. Yeah, this car has been around for many years. I actually used to, when I was a younger fella, Herb's dad used to drive this car around and race it back in the day. And here's a nice C6 with a Pro Charger on it. Now, how fast is this, Herb?
10.7, 10.8 mile, 128 miles an hour.
Wow, 10.7 and a quarter mile. And that's the only modification, just the supercharger? Just the Pro Charger?
The transmission's built and the rear end's built.
Transmission.
But the motor's still actually stock.
Oh, okay. And now that would be the LS2? Okay.
It's LS2.
Okay.
And Corvette, man, they make the best supercharger for Corvettes out there.
Yeah. Good angle of this here.
I still got stock headers on that car.
Oh, really? You got the stock headers
stock
on?
Manifolds are on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
And she's super quiet.
Take a look at that. Yeah, that car's been around for a lot of years. Now, what'll this pull in a quarter mile?
The best I had was a 10.7. I still got a 327 in it, and that was on 150 shot nitrous. So right now she set up for some sprays. I did it's a 10.7 70.
Oh.
Usually around 11 hours, where she likes to be happy at. But it's a fun ride.
Do you have the hardtop for this car too?
No, I'm looking for one.
Oh, okay.
But there is a roll bar in it.
Yeah. This is a new roof, right?
Yeah. Cheap little rubber roof. I put this on. I blew my roof off of Keystone.
Well, you know, there's a place called what is it? Corvette Hobby or something like that in Martinsburg.
Okay.
They have a bunch of hardtops for these.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have a bunch of them.
I had a chance to get one from New York City.
Hobby Corvette in Martinsburg, PA. It's up there by Altoona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a chance to get one from New York. Guy had one up there for he wanted $400 for it too. And but you had to go to Northern. You had to go to Staten Island, Long Island. Had to go to Long Island to get it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I hate that area.
Yeah, he's like, you can have $400, you can have it. I'm like, man, that's a deal, but that's a long drive. You're gonna get a hard time.
You know what I mean? That's for sure. Yeah, but you've done wonders with this car, man. I mean, it's like for it to be like that after all these years.
Actually, I need to pull it out.
And I remember being like, 13, 14 years old watching this car race in street races.
Yeah.
And by the way, audience, I'm 66 now. So you see how many years have gone by and this car is still on the road.
Still on the road. Still putting around.
Yeah, he's going to pull it out. Let's see what it sounds like. Sounds like music to me. awesome.
So she's a lot louder.
Yeah, that's freaking sweet. So I guess we're gonna take a look at my car now, see what's where the leak is at, and I'll go forward from there. There we go. Look at that. 10, 9, he said? 10, 8? Okay, so if you got an older C3 and you're in the Plum Borough area and you need a little bit of work done, Burton & Sons can do it. And that's Herb.
Excuse the shop.
All right, so we're gonna get this one pulled in here and take a look at it, and you know, and I'll, I don't know if I'll video all that or not, but if you're watching it when it's getting done, then I guess I did video it, right? Okay. All right, everyone.
I keep telling you the best part about this one actually for me. I ain't do much with the body. I ain't do no body work. I ain't do none of that. Like literally, I wet sanded the car, I did the car down 80 grit, and I wrapped the whole car.
Oh.
Like there's no paint on that car.
That's what I was thinking about doing, wrapping this actually. I was, I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I thought maybe I would.
That's what a wrap looks like.
Which one?
A NASCAR.
Oh, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Oh, damn.
There's not a piece of paint on that car. I had all the paint plastic bead off it, and then that's wrapped.
Oh,
you
damn.
go in there and look, you can see.
Yeah, that fooled me, man, because I thought it was paint.
Yeah, a lot of
paint. Yeah. But we're getting ready to get up here on the lift here and find out where that leak's at.
This is the first time this car was here. So I think they had another C3 vent that was here. Who was that? That was in a similar shape as yours. It's just all that came flooding back to me.
From being underneath.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm trying to figure out who that guy was. I have another guy who's over there in Warnox. He has a 72 big block convertible. He wanted me to take a look at. It had the mist fire in it. And behind that, he had a 66, 396 C2, white on white on white.
Oh, wow.
White convertible top, white paint, white interior.
Wow.
Off the car. And he's like, oh, I want you to take it out and drive it around, cruise around the block. I'm like, no. We will not be doing that.
It's like, so something happened and then you come after me about it?
Yep, I don't need no old lady who's running stop sign hit me in your, oh, no. It don't mean I don't want me to drive somebody else's car.
I hear you. We're about to go up on the lift here. Find out where this leak is. That car looks really nice under fluorescent light. This car looks really nice under fluorescent lights.
It does. I really do like the lighting in here.
Almost looks like it's a fresh paint job.
It's nice detail in the car in here.
Yeah, because you get that light and you can really see.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, I have imperfections in my paint. I've shown that on video, but under this lighting, it looks really good.
I love the imperfections in my cars. You know why? Because it's okay if you lean on it. It's okay if you touch it. It's okay if the kids climb in it. The little seats, like, Yeah. This car here is a it's almost a do not touch car.
Well, I told you this car was sold brand new at Yanko, didn't I?
Yeah, you did tell this was a Yankee
Yeah,
car.
yeah, sold brand new at Yanko. It never left Allegheny County as far as ownership.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's
Pittsburgh car all the way around.
yep. All right, so upsy daisy.
Flashlight.
Yeah, now you get a chance to see how that treatment that's on the frame, it's brown, and it's in every nook and cranny of the frame. It actually retards rust. It stops it cold. So there will be no longer rusting from the inside. You know, it's just got that
This
brown
repels water.
color. So what?
This repels water.
Water?
This coating.
Oh yeah, it repels water. Yeah.
Okay, I'll probably show you a leak finding around here somewhere. Yeah, the valve cover leaking. Yeah, valve cover leak. Before I see any cracks or anything. The manifold's actually in pretty good shape. This car is actually just a normal seepage. I mean, it's snug these bolts a little bit. This car's such a nice driver shape. I want to say it needs cleaned up, and then again, I don't want to say it needs cleaned up because it's I don't know, it has all the right patina in it. Okay, who did this? How did you not break these bolts?
Yeah, I first I put PB Blaster on them.
Yeah.
I let it sit for 2 days, and I sprayed it again. Like after the first day,
Yeah.
and yeah, they didn't give me too much of a problem.
And have you ever had this rebuilt?
No, but what I did was
You have slop in steering wheel?
no, not at all.
Really?
Yeah, it's real tight steering.
Okay, nice. This right usually that's where the slop comes from. They're right here.
Yeah, I've filled it. I re-greased it. I greased everything. I lubed everything. Like you can look at all the the grease points. I've greased them all.
It was settled in, so I did the my camber in and out.
So anyway, we found the exhaust leak on my car. The exhaust leak was actually, what was it again?
Top of your riser.
Top of the riser, top of the heat riser.
Looks like a gasket.
So just got to replace. So that's going to take I'm going to need that donut. No, that goes at the bottom of the heat riser. The donut?
Yeah.
That goes at the bottom.
So there's a gasket on top.
Right. So on the top, there's a gasket.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we'll get that settled in there. And yeah, I don't have the manifold pulled off the car. So that's a good deal. Yeah, thanks again, Herb.
Sure,
you the man. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming and enjoying our adventure today on my C3 Corvette. I'm getting ready to get stung by a bee here. Ah!